Hey everyone, Kevin with Kittyhawk here, and today we're going to be talking about a little bit of a sore subject. Have you ever found yourself flying inside controlled airspace thinking you've done everything right, and yet the drone will just not take off? Most likely we're running into DJI geofencing issues, and today we're going to walk through how to get through that process and fly within Kittyhawk. So today we're going to go out and take a flight at this park. And you can see it is in Class Charlie controlled airspace. And it is a LAANC facility that we can get approval up to 100 feet. So let's get authorization. We're going to file as a commercial pilot and we're going to stay within the predefined altitude. So we want to fly now and let's go ahead and push it out about an hour and a half. So here's our pre-check for our LAANC authorization. Final step, including some information about the pilot, as well as agreeing to some information from the 107 and the LAANC process. You can see our LAANC authorization populate on the map, and there it is in our advisories at the bottom. New LAANC starting in less than a minute. We'll also receive the follow-up text message confirming our authorization has gone through. So now that we've connected, let's tap Fly. Here we can check our sensors for our aircraft, make sure there's no anomalies. Looks like we need to wait for our GPS satellites to populate. And there we go. Now we are in GPS mode. And if we tap Go Fly, you'll see the dreaded cannot take off located in the top left corner. No matter what you do, if you pinch the sticks, if you try to launch, the aircraft will not engage the propellers. So what do? Now we have to jump to DJI for an unlock code. Now you can attempt to do this from the app, which is also confirming that we are in a no-fly zone. And even if we try to take off, we'll get presented with the no-fly zone warnings. In today's example, we're going to use the self-unlocking tool on DJI's website. So after logging in, we need to define our aircraft and our flight. So make sure you select the correct drone in the top left here. And then we need to define the area that we want to fly in. And you can see that it wants us to select the applicable pin where we want to fly. So let's go ahead and scroll over. Find our location. And let's zoom in and make sure we can find the same area that we requested our LAANC authorization. So there it is right there. There's the park we want to go fly in. And you can see it's attached to Raleigh-Durham International. And we can get authorization in this blue ring. Now the next step, we need our flight controller number. And if we jump to Kittyhawk, go to Assets, choose our aircraft, we can pull the flight controller serial number from here. Let's enter that on the website. Make sure the dates look good. So we're just going to be flying today, so this looks fine. Let's go ahead and submit. We do have authorization as we filed the LAANC. And we accept all responsibility. Now let's choose mobile verification, confirm our phone number, and send the verification code. Now, you should get a follow-up text message, enter the code that you receive, and click Verify. Excellent. Authorization zones can now be unlocked. So let's hop over to the DJI app and double check. We're going to open up DJI Go, go into Me, More, my unlock NFZ applications, and there should be verification that we've received an unlock code. And if we hop back over to Kittyhawk, tap fly on our aircraft, and again, double check our sensors, everything looks good. We can attach this to a mission, log checklist, risk assessments, anything we need to do pre-flight, then tap fly. Now you can see we're getting prop turns, and we're off. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped answer a lot of your questions. Thank you for flying with Kittyhawk, and as always, fly safe and fly often.